This time on PFDAuto, nothing. I got nothing for you. Well, it's a beautiful day here at PFDAuto. Unfortunately, I'm not getting around too well currently. That's making these things that I need to get done on this car take a lot longer. So, like I said at the beginning, I got nothing for you today. But I just wanted to come by and let everybody know that I haven't given up. This car will get finished. And I am going to keep making progress. I'll keep making videos. They're just going to take a little bit longer to get out. Now, this isn't permanent, so hopefully next couple months we'll get back to our regular schedule. But right now I'm just asking you to hang with me. Don't go anywhere. I've got some coming. Just not right now. So as always, if you keep watching them, I'll keep making them. And we'll see you next time on PFDAuto.